Go down here, check what's happening with the drains, but they're blocked. There's a manhole in there. Manhole's been overflowing. You can see all the waste there. Manhole's full. You can barely see the manhole with all the bush here. So there's 4 properties, 2 that side, 2 that side. They all join into this manhole. From this one they run down there and into the street. I'm trying to get it in the hole. Okay, it feels like it's in. See how much water we got in the tank. So water comes in, fills up the tank and the machine. Pull that tight. Still got a while to go. So the tank's nearly full. It takes about 15 minutes. I'll show you the layout quickly of all the houses. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 houses here in a row. They all run. These 2 run that way. These 2 run that way. They join at the manhole in the center of the 2, which is there. They run down in this direction. Through all this bush and into the street. And I'm guessing into that manhole, which is right over there. You can't really see it, but if I don't come right, then we're gonna have to get the council in to open that manhole in the street for us, and they might have to jet up into the property because we're not allowed to jet down into the line. So tank should be full. It's time to start jetting. We'll put the machine on, let it run for 30 seconds to a minute just to warm up, and then we'll give it some juice. Let the globe plugs warm up. It'll be the first time I run it today. Okay, let's go. While the tank was filling up, I just laid my hose out, so it makes it easier for when I start jetting. So it's off at the moment. Let the machine warm up and then we'll put some power. Could be blocked up with roots, but it may be blocked up in the street. I would open the manhole in the road, but it's such a busy road, I can't stop traffic. The council can. Fight with this for a little while. See you later. Seem to think I can hear something in here. Definitely hear something in here, but how the hell am I going to get in there? Look. Cut the bush away. Won't be much water left in that machine now anyway. Let's switch it off. Okay. It's all pumping out of the floor here. Manhole there, there's another one down there. That's just the water. We're not jetting to this manhole, we're jetting to the street, but obviously the water runs back. That manhole's not moving, and we're into the road already, so we're gonna have to get the council through to open up on their side. But as you can see, that manhole's still full to the top. Let's take a look if we can find anything down this way. I would suspect another manhole in the bush here somewhere, but... So I've just contacted the landlord because I don't want to be cutting out all their plants. But what I've done is, this is the manhole where we're working, which runs, the line runs down here. And what's happened is I've found another manhole just before the boundary wall through this bush over here. So the manhole's down deep in there. I can't get to it, it's definitely there. I've taken a spade and I've hit the cover. I can hear the manhole cover, but I can't get to it. So they're sending someone now through. to cut this garden, cut this bush. You can see there's the other side of the bush. So it looks really nice. I mean, I don't want to make a big mess of it, and they're going to send a guy through now to cut that all out the way so I can get into that manhole, and then hopefully we'll have a bit of luck. So the landlord's guys say they can only be in about 2 hours. I don't plan on hanging around for 2 hours, so I'm going to try to chop a bit of the wood away, some of the bush away myself with this old piece of wood. Got a manhole cover out there. Let's have a look if I can show you the manhole. It's in there, down deep in there, full of all sorts. So we'll get the jetting machine here and then we'll see what we can do. Managed to finally get it going on the other manhole. See how it goes down here. Got a bunch of leaves and stuff in the way. Just got the machine on it, the other manhole. Definitely going down. All the roots. Go baby, go. I want to see the bottom. Finally. Flush all this out nicely, make sure it's all clean, all the roots down there, otherwise it looks alright.